A great new vehicle for you to take a look at here. 2008 Honda Odyssey. Got it listed at $79.99. It's a steal. This is the touring model, so it's fully loaded. VTEC engine. We did new brakes all the way around, pads and rotors. Comes with our 36,000 mile 3-year warranty. We did a new AC condenser and a recharge, so it's ice cold. And we did your cabin and engine air filters. Tires are in great shape. This has got leather interior. I'm gonna start her up here. You can see how quiet it is. Starts great. It's got a DVD player, so we got access to that right here. Premium sound system, navigation. Our DVD player is right up here for the kiddos. So this is great. My car don't have this. I wish I had it because that would make it a lot better on road trips. Okay, and we'll take a look at the back here. You can see this is actually a seat right here. So you got your center console cup holder, but then that folds up and you can put a third seat there. Okay, and we got our back row of seats. And then in our trunk, we've got a lot of extra storage space. So you've got a really deep trunk here. And then these seats fold up and down. So we could take the seat, we can go this way, so it's more flat, or we can bring that back up and we can come here and we can actually take the whole seat and we can bring that back down this way and lay it down this way. So a lot of features on this. Again, fully loaded, the Touring Edition, new pads, rotors, all the way around, AC condenser, filters, ice cold AC, DVD player, navigation, you name it, it's got it. This is gonna go fast, $79.99, 130,000 miles. That's all it's got on it. So come over, check it out, test drive it, make us an offer, and you'll be happy.
877-4277